Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, once again I welcome you to Sri Chandra's distance learning program. In our last class we were solving exercises of the lesson Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, the word and its kinds. One exercise was remaining. We will solve this exercise, then we will proceed towards the next lesson, Al-Ismu wa Aqsamuhu, the noun and its kinds. In section grammar, you have two lessons. Lesson number 1 is Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha and lesson number 2 is Al-Ismu wa Aqsamuha. Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha means the word and its kinds, and Al-Ismu wa Aqsamuha means the noun and its kinds. So we will study about the noun later. First we will do one exercise which was remaining in our last class, exercise number 5. He is asking us to uktub khamsata amthilatin lil fa'il. Okay. Let us take a recap of the lesson. What is al-kalimatu? Al-kalimatu is a word which gives its own meaning. It can be of three types: al-ismu, al-fa'lu, al-harfu. Al-ismu means it is every word by which we can name a person, place, animal or thing. And al-fa'lu means it is every word that signifies an action at a particular time. And al-harfu is every word whose meaning is not clear but by joining the other words. Okay. Al-ismu, it is every word by which we can name a person, place or thing, like waladun, masjidun, kitabun, qalamun. Al-fa'lu, it shows an action like yaktubu, he is writing. Okay, sayaktubu, he will write. Kataba, he wrote. Al-harfu is an incomplete word whose meaning is not clear, like ala, on, ila, to, and so on. So now we will proceed. We will going to solve exercise number 5. In our last class we solved exercise 1, uktubil mana, write the meanings. Exercise 2, ayyinil isma wal fa'la wal harf, identify noun, verb and particle. Then we take the types of kalima and then we take the types of kalima. Then we wrote the 5 examples of al-ism. Today we are solving exercise number 5. What is exercise number 5? Uktub khamsata amsilatin lil fa'il. Uktub khamsata amsilatin lil fa'il. Okay. Uktub khamsata amsilatin lil fa'il. What does it means? It means write 5 examples of fa'il, verb. Okay. Write 5 examples of al-fa'il. Al-fa'il means verb. Okay. Kataba, he wrote, or we can write directly wrote. Wrote means who wrote? He is hidden here. Qara'a, read, R-E-A-D, read, past tense, it is past tense, he read. Kataba, qara'a, and one more example, fahima, understood. Fahima, understood. Fahima understood, and dakhala entered. Dakhala entered. He is hidden here. He entered. Akala ate. Akala ate. He ate. वो खाया. Okay. These are the 5 examples of fail verb. Verb is every word which denotes the occurrence of an action at a particular time. This time belongs to past. Kataba, he wrote. The action has been completed. The action is completed. Qara'a, he read. The action is over. Fahima, he understood. Dakhala, he entered. Akala, he ate. Instead of writing these 5 examples, we can give another 5 examples of present and future tense as well. If you want, you may write these 5 examples, or you may write these 5 examples. This kataba will become yaktubu. Yaktubu means he is writing. He is writing or will write. He is writing or will write. He is writing or will write. Got it? Yakhra'u. He is writing or will write. We can give this example. Instead of giving kataba, you may write yaktubu as well. So both the answers will be correct. If you are writing the examples of past tense, that is also correct. If you are writing the examples of past imperfect tense, that is also correct. If you write the mixture of both the examples, that will be correct. That will also be correct. Yaktubu, here yakhra'u. Yakhra'u. Here also he is reading or will read. He is reading or will read. Fahima yafhamu. Yafhamu. He is understanding. He is understanding or will understand. Okay? Or will understand. Dakhala. Dakhala will become yadkhulu. Yadkhulu. Yadkhulu means he is entering or will enter. Or will enter. Last one, akala yakulu. Yakulu. Yakulu means he is eating. He is eating or will eat. This exercise is over. Now you may take down the screenshot. Later you may copy it down in your notebook. Got it? Let me explain you once again. Here, uktub khamsata amsilatin lil fail. Write 5 examples of al fail. This may be asked in your short answer type question for 5 marks. Here we have to give 5 examples of fail. Here kataba is given, he wrote, qara'a, read, he read, fahima, he understood, dakhala, he entered, akala, he ate. Yaktubu, he is writing or will write, yakhra'u, he is reading or will read, yafhamu, he is understanding or will understand, yadkhulu, he is entering or will enter, yakulu, he is eating or will eat. Okay, these are the 5 examples we can write in this exercise. Uktub khamsat amthila lil fail, write 5 examples of al fail. फेल के 5 एग्जाम्पल्स लिखिए, ये 5 एग्जाम्पल्स हम लिख सकते हैं, चाहे ये 5 लिखिए या ये 5 लिखिए, या फिर दोनों को मिला के इसमें के 1 2 या इसमें के 1 3 ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, इसमें के 3 उसमें के 2 भी लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, ओके।